Hello everybody, I am going to do an interesting integration math. This math is I equals integration dx divided by 1 plus cos 2x. So now integration dx divided by 1 plus cos 2x equals 2 cos square x. Since 1 plus cos 2x equals 2 cos square x. Now integration dx divided by, I'm taking half in front of the integration sign, so dx divided by cos square x. Now half integration cos square a 1 divided by cos square x equals sec square x. So sec square x dx. Now half tan x plus c, and this is the answer. Here I can write the rule. Since 1 divided by cos square x equals sec square x. Okay, we have completed this math. Thank you all of you. I think you will like this math.